Hello guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. Alright, so and in this video, I'll be giving you some potential crypto projects that you can make money from with zero investment. You don't need to put any money. And also, if you're already tired of all of this tap today, tap tomorrow, and having to be glued to your phone, it's very much time consuming and it could become very much addictive. So these are some 5 projects that I'll be giving you. So this video will be in episode by episode where I'll be giving you new projects that are not time consuming, that you can manage with your daily jobs, and also you can still be making passive money by the side. So all right guys, so without further ado, let's go straight to business. All right, the first one is Match Chain. The first one is Match Chain. So let's get started. So Match Chain, just as you have it on my screen here. So this is my balance, 6,757, and every 8 hours you would get to claim your points. So most times what I've been claiming every 8 hours is more or less like 67 points, or like 67 points in every 8 hours. So you don't have to be tapping your screen and stuff like that, having to be glued to your phone playing one game or the other. So you get it right now. So and also you can also, if you want to get much more points, you can also play games. So it's always just 3 slots per day. So we are just going to explore a little bit of it. So every 8 hours you get to claim your points, and then you also have some tax here. So you can see all of the tax that are here. If you do all of them, you'll be able to accumulate all of those points, and also you get extra 200 points for you to just add up. And also, if you can run some referrals, you can also do some referrals by referring your friends and stuff like that. But this is not all about referral contest. Do you get it? So now just make sure that you come on board. I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you can also start something. You don't have to stay glued to your phone all through the day. Do you get it? So just tap once and go to your daily business, and at your leisures, 8 hours, you claim again and you start again. Do you get it? So all right guys, so just as I said, you can also play the game. It's just for some 30 seconds. Just move the door to actually catch this fire that is dropping. So and it will just add up to your balance. So just catch it up, catch up. So all right, so avoid this, it is bomb. So avoid the grenade, so avoid it, or else it will consume what you've already collected. So make sure you avoid it. So this is more or less lollipop to expand your pan. So you can see for 30 seconds I got 56 points, and that is what I will have gotten almost in mining for like 6 7 hours. Do you get it? So that is just a very quick way also to increase what you are earning, so you don't have to stay glued to your phone if you have the time. All right guys, so let's go to the second one very quickly. The second one is Simple Tap. So you might have been seeing it around, but it's not yet very much popular like that. So this is a Simple Tap. They are also more or less like an exchange platform. They have an app already. So this is more or less an opportunity given for people to be able to mine these coins. And currently, they opened withdrawals for people. So what you can do once you click the link, just come on board. And also, first and foremost, as I've always said, make sure that you always explore everything that you have done here for every mining activity that you're doing. So explore. So if you click on the tags, you see all these tags that you can do to first and foremost accumulate all of these points to yourself. Then if you can do referrals, you can do referrals. And also these are also some other things you can do. This is the tap limit. Tap limit is what you can tap in as an extra additional reward after the 8 hours of mining. And also you can get to increase your coins per hour by buying some cards, just like the way you're buying cards for Hamster Combat. But this, there is no combination. There's no combination. It's just you buying card as you would like to spend your coins. So right now I'm not interested in buying some other cards for me. So but if you are interested, you just purchase the card, and also it will add to the coin per hour that you are currently